Good day, everyone. I am Jessa Emiliano and I will be a reporter for today for Applied Business Tools and Technologies and Tourism. Our topic is the importance of tourism. Tourism industry is important for the benefits it's bring and due to its role as a commercial activity that creates demands and growth for many more industries. So, tourism is an individual's activity of traveling and visiting places. It is created travelers and tourists who visit different tourist places and destinations. Tourism is also a commercial activity because the whole tourism process involves the consumption of services and products. Hospitality is the relationship between a guest and the host wherein the host receives the guest with goodwill, including the reception and entertainment of guests, visitors, or strangers. It is the value of the Filipino because when we are a guest, we have a good entertainment to them. So there are five important of tourism industry. First, tourism creates demand. They have a three parts: tourist attraction, traveling, local tourism, and stay, ancillary activity. So, tourist attraction, traveling, they have a two parts: curiosity and to travel. Curiosity, it is the desire or need to visit and see different tourist place, new experience, and see natural wonders of places. To travel, it is need for traveling is to satisfy the desire to see tourist places and could be due to the desire to just travel, spend leisure time and holidays. So, local tourism and stay. It having arrived to the country and the city, now tourists need to start their main activity. It creates the country and city for the specific need to stay. Ancillary activity. So it looks at the tourism as an activity can go beyond the basic tourism activities. When tourists visiting place, they might do so many things. Tourism industry spread meets and demands. So as an industry, fulfill the needs and demands created by the tourism as an activities. So now tourism, as I mentioned in its definition, it's not industry as such, rather group of industries. So this created the value of supply chain in tourism. The 12 basic types of industries classified by UNWT listed above the tourism value chain industries. So the 12 industries listed by UNWTO broadly define and describe tourism industry. There are we can rearrange those 12 industries in the following way. They have a primary and secondary activities. Primary activities, so travel agencies and other reservation services activities, railway passenger transport, air passenger transport, accommodation for visitors, food and beverage services activities, transport and equipment rental. Secondary activities, the cultural activities, sports and recreational activities, other country-specific tourism characteristic activities, retail trade of country-specific tourism characteristic good. So number three, tourism's bring developments. According to the WEF, the TTCI index measures the set of factors and policies that enable the sustainable development of the travel and tourism sector, which in tourism contributes to the development and competitiveness of a country. So this is the example of the travel and tourism competitiveness index. So tourism bring global standards. So the other important observation about the travel and tourism sector which we want to highlight is the tourists who are the consumer of the sector and global and act accordingly when it comes to perception and consumption of tourism and related services as a whole. So number five, tourism nature induce more consumption. So we started in the first point, the tourism creates demand adding number of tourism. There are two reasons that encourage consumption of services. First reason is that tourism as a term comprises of set of activities involving use of services and of products. Second reason is that tourism's too much extent means enjoyment, exploring, and experiences a place to its full extent and also to kind of experimenting and doing new things. So that's all. Thank you.